Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding algebraic fractions worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses. Now let's have a look at the lesson. So here we have four examples, and in each case we have two algebraic fractions that are added together. And we are asked to simplify each of the examples. Now if you need any help, we have a lesson on this very topic, and when you get to the last slide you can click on the link and it'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how each of these are done. So I'll leave this on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Now the next slide contains the answers, so when I move on to that next slide you'll be able to check how you went. I'll move on to the answers now. Remember, you can pause this slide for as long as you like until you finish the example. So here are the answers. Okay, now with these answers you can check how you went, and I'll leave this slide on for a short while before we move on to the next slide. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing a rap song about algebraic fractions. I hope you enjoyed that worksheet, and here's the last slide.